Death Row. The access code is 0529. Falcone was attacked in the Death Row Chapel. The chapel is in Death Row. I need to investigate.
I don't buy either. You see him light up when he found out Batman's here? I only seen him smile twice.
They're using thermal imaging headsets. Anyone wearing them will be able to spot me hiding up in the darkness.
See you up there, fat freak! Thought you could hide up there, huh? What the hell? Bastards hiding again. Help me find him. You can't hide forever, you know! Well, look who's back! Someone clean up the bodies and processing. Then bring some guns to my office, admin.
Offline.
More rat mischief, sir. Powering the backup generator should do the trick.
I'll trace it in detective vision.
I insist you engage. To be the best. I will promote any guard who actually manages.
The backup generator needs a jump. Alfred, ready the Batwing to deploy the shock gloves.
Right away. The highest point is the helipad. The exit's on the second floor, to your right from the chapel door. Marking it on your map.
Time to climb.
What could Bolton be defending with all this artillery?
His claim. I'd be surprised if there were anything deeper.
Yes, he doesn't strike me as a chess-level strategist. another anti-aircraft gun installed on the helipad roof.
I have the element of surprise. Hold the Batwing until I disable it. The anti-aircraft gun's out of reach.
Blackgate tore down an edifice.
I'll look for a weak wall. Send the Batwing.
Shock gloves en route to the helipad, sir. Mind the jolt.
Thanks, Alfred. Lucius miniaturized the electrocutioner's design to integrate with my gauntlets.
Now you're putting it to use in the name of justice.
Every punch charges up the shock gloves. An attack combo will activate them. Tiger isn't ready for this.
Break his face! You messed with the wrong guard. You're gonna die in here! You're entering a world of hurt! Fire! You and me, freak! You ain't so tough! I promise this will hurt! Comfortable hands, freak! Freaking use me! Run him down!
Damn shame. We could have been partners.
The bat came through here. We got bodies in the infirmary. When you see him, don't hold back, because he won't.
Batman just took out an anti-aircraft gun as well as a tower full of guards.
Getting second thoughts?
I'm thinking about he hit me from behind this. Electric punch back. Bravo left. Keep it up.
Eat this, freak! We'll kill you, freak! I'll mess you up good! I promise this will work! You ain't so tough! You ain't so tough!
They say never meet your heroes. But killing them? That's another story.